xrhymes.com. UPSC जिंदगी लगा दी. Yet again a topper emerges, beating multiple lakhs in the line. Yet again a celebration of a lucky few hundred will outshine the remorse of the rest who are being outshined. Yet again the celebration will be louder even than the significance of the news. Coaching barons will again reap this chance to gather the attention of the baffled goose. Yet again, isolated examples of excellence personified will be shown and sold as scalable feats. Coaching industry will again be thriving, for sure, by fooling the imperative, irrevocable, infallible defeats. Yet again, many dreams will be woven because of the prestige and attention such exam commands. Yet again, many will take up this challenge and put their youth to the misuse of such exams demands. Yet again, no one will talk about the loss and the reasons for such eventful 99.9% failures. Yet again, all will be amazed by such amazing feats and the charm attached with such rare grandeur. Yet again, the 10th grade knowledge masters will be trained to rise up above the bureaucratic scale. Yet again, they will be taught the skills to subjugate the experts or specialists and make them eternally hail. The system of such exam is fundamentally flawed, still pursuing the tenets as the British Raj had claused. There has to be a symphony amongst all competitive exams. This synergy and symbiosis will stop the lions from turning against the lambs. This new era of our federation must guarantee that no talent, aspiration, or dream shall fail. A reform on an unprecedented scale will eventually, but certainly, bail out our future from this ominous trail. Remember, the sportsmanship is above all. And sportsmanship should only be celebrated when there is a match amongst equals. If that is so, then I am sure I'll be enjoying every year such amazing celebratory sequels. Congrats to the winners. All the best to the dreamers. So ये तो आर्टिकल है, and besides that there is this note where first point में मैं बोल रहा हूँ, decision of the then chairman Mr. D.P. Agarwal जी, आपके लिए है ये. Decision of the then chairman about bringing the CSAT was a massive blunder. Now remaining as just a qualifier. What was he thinking? भाई क्या सोच रहे थे? I still wonder. Second point, even the UPSC prelims qualifiers are approximately 98 percentile holders. At least give them the appreciation certificate, guys. If you can't give them the grieving aspirants, if you can't give the grieving aspirants your shoulder. अच्छा ये भी rhyming है. Even the UPSC prelims qualifiers are approx 98 percentile holder. At least give them the appreciation certificate if you can't give them give the grieving aspirants your shoulder. Even the UPSC interviewees who, when fall short of making to the merit list, are thrown away in drain. At least give them the security of some modest jobs, guys, as they represent the alleged cream of the 99.5% of our country's youthful aspirational brains. And finally, fourth point जो है लॉकडाउन के संबंध में है, excuse me for mutilating the pleasure of today's celebratory vibes by reminding you of one of the blunders of the year, the decision to lock down without thinking about the labor issues. What cooks there, guys? I just wonder. Everything is crooked over there or what? Or they just go there to enjoy their slumber? Food for thought. Praveen Katiyar, remember my name. तो भाई यहाँ comments हैं. These reforms are very much needed. Will save resources of government too, right? Definitely there should be reforms in the process. In the current process, I think the talent getting wasted is more than the ones getting utilized. So the net effect is negative only for the country in whole. If this pool of talent can be utilized by way of reforms in the process, then I think that would be master stroke by the GOI. These students who give their best to secure one position in the final tally, if they can be given any opportunity, prior to their selection to their dream job. That would be beneficial both for the country and the students. Very good comment. Very nice. ये सब अगस्त 5, 2020 को दी गई कमेंट्स हैं, है ना. सो दिस इज़ द आर्टिकल येट अगैन. मकड़ी का जाल है भाई ये. अपनी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद मत करो. मेरे ख्याल से 2 अटेम्प्ट रखो अपने पास. जिनकी स्कूलिंग अच्छी हुई हो, जिनके कॉलेज में भी अच्छे एफर्ट्स रहे हों, वही लोग आएँ और 2 साल रखें हेड मैक्स, क्योंकि भाई लक फैक्टर बहुत काम करता है इधर, है ना. तो बस ये है. ये मत सोचना कभी भी कि भैया ज़िंदगी ही है यूपीएससी. कुछ नहीं है ये एग्ज़ाम. हलवा है हलवा. ऑलराइट. सही से पढ़ने वालों के लिए हलवा है. एक अटैम्प्ट में टॉपर बनते हैं यहाँ पे. देखे मैंने लोग ऐसे. मेरे साथ के फ्रेंड्स देखे हैं मैंने, कैसे लिखते हैं, क्या करते हैं, कैसी तैयारी रही है. बचपन से तैयारी होती है, समझ में आया. चलो भाई, आज के लिए इतना ही लेसन है. दिल के छालों को कुरेद दिया मैंने आज अपना. ऑलराइट. शब्बा खैर. गुड नाइट.
A perfect gift for the Holy Festival. Now, 30% off.